Welcome back to the Basics Hub. In this video, we're diving into part 2 of our fun and quirky hack ideas. From DIY pet feeders to creative gift wrapping, these hacks will add a touch of creativity to your everyday life. Let's get started. Hack 1 DIY pet feeder from PVC Pipe. First up, let's make a DIY pet feeder. You'll need a length of PVC pipe, end caps, and some tools. Cut the pipe to your desired length, cap one end, and drill small holes near the bottom for food to dispense. Attach it vertically in your yard, fill it with dog food, and voila! An automatic pet feeder that dispenses food as needed. Hack 2 Toilet Paper Roll. Seed Starter. Next, let's turn toilet paper rolls into seed starters. Cut the rolls in half, fill them with potting soil, and plant your seeds. When it's time to move them outside, you can plant the whole thing. The cardboard will biodegrade naturally. Hack 3 Wine Bottle. Watering Spike. Here's a clever way to water your plants while you're away. Clean an empty wine bottle, fill it with water, and quickly invert it into your plant's soil. The water will slowly seep out, keeping your plants hydrated for days. Hack 4 Instant Gift Wrapping with Scarves. Transform your gift wrapping with Scarves. It's eco-friendly, reusable, and adds an extra gift. We'll share a few techniques for wrapping different shaped objects. The most common method for wrapping with a scarf is called furoshiki, a traditional Japanese wrapping technique. Here's a basic method. Lay the scarf flat on a table, print side down, in a diamond shape. Place the gift in the center of the scarf. Take the corner of the scarf closest to you and fold it over the gift. Next, take the opposite corner and bring it over the gift, tucking it under. Now take the two remaining corners and tie them in a knot on top of the gift. Finally, adjust the knot and fabric to create a neat appearance. For bottle-shaped gifts, there are specific furoshiki techniques to create a handle. You can use different tying methods to create various looks. Add embellishments like natural garnishes, twine, or small ornaments for extra flair. Thrift stores often have a variety of affordable scarves. You can repurpose scarves you already own. Some companies sell scarves specifically designed for gift wrapping. Choose a scarf size appropriate for your gift. Larger scarves for bigger gifts. Silk or polyester scarves work well as they're smooth and easy to tie. Practice the technique a few times to perfect your wrapping skills. Hack 5 Egg Carton. Paint palette. Turn an empty egg carton into the perfect paint palette for kids. Each compartment holds a different color, making it easy to organize and preventing color mixing. Plus, it's disposable when you're done. Hack 6 DIY Candle Holder from Oranges. Create a natural, fragrant candle holder from an orange. Carefully cut an orange in half, scoop out the fruit, place a small candle inside, and light it. The orange peel adds a lovely scent to your room. Hack 7 Sticky Note Keyboard Cleaner. Clean your keyboard with sticky notes. The adhesive edge picks up dust and crumbs easily. Simply slide the sticky edge between the keys to collect debris. It's quick, easy, and uses something you probably already have on your desk. Hack 8 Shoe Organizer for Snacks. Organize your pantry with an over-the-door shoe organizer. Each pocket is perfect for storing different snacks, making them easily accessible and visible. It's great for kids to grab their own snacks too. Hack 9 DIY Hair Tie Holder from Cardboard. Keep your hair ties organized with this simple hack. Cut evenly spaced slits in a piece of cardboard, then slide your hair ties into the slits. It keeps them neat and easy to access in your drawer. Hack 10 Colorful Water Balloon Stress Balls. Make your own stress balls using water balloons. Fill them with flour or rice, tie them off, and decorate with markers. They're fun to make and great for relieving stress. And there you have it, 10 more fun and quirky hack ideas to try at home. These hacks are not only practical but also add a touch of creativity to your daily life. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas. Share your favorite hack or any quirky ideas you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.